I'm all free. Hope guys. Hello guys, good morning. I don't know if you can even hear me, but today is a day off. I'm just in my active wear, trying to get in a bit of walk activity because I have been a couch potato the past week, just staying in my room on my days off. So now we're trying to be active. It's a good week because I only had 2 work days. So I worked Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to Sunday. I'm all free except for classes. So I do have classes on Thursdays and Fridays. Right now it's a Wednesday, just trying to squeeze in a bit of exercise, and then I'm gonna go run some errands that I need to catch up on my days off. I'm going to Macalum Park because I really love the river in there. So I could also show you. I've been there before. It was my night nurse duty vlog, but I showed you the river at night, the area at night, so you couldn't really see. Now it's broad daylight. Guys, we're here! Can you see it? Oh no, can you see that? Oh, that's the river. There you go. Hello! Lovely. In a seated position while holding handles, rotate treadmill toward the body using feet. Have to clean soon actually.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams.
Right now I'm in the Asian shop and I've been just getting some snacks. I have grahams, tamarind. I was gonna try to get the raw mango, but unfortunately they only have ripe ones, so sad. Look at the empty shelves. Early morning, but that's just really empty. Obviously people have been panic buying because of the increasing cases in here in WA, and it's been weeks now. Notice that the shelves are always empty and empty, all empty. Okay guys, I'm at home and I'm really sweaty. It's really hot outside. Just have here some mail. These are from investment stuff. Let me just show you a quick haul of what I got. So first I got this one from the brand Jessa. It's just a cheap hand mixer because I'm thinking of making cookies. So I got that. And then I got this one. It's turtle chips. I heard it's really good. So there's a chocolate flavor for this one. It's like, I'm imagining it's like pillows in my country. So we have that which has sweet flavor. This one's savory, and they also have a sweet one in chocolate. but this one's the savory one. Let's see. Looks like that. Ooh, it smells like, it's exactly like a little chip in our country. I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna put it here. This one tastes exactly like this one. Seal this one out before I devour the whole bag. Grahams, they're my favorite go-to snack. I keep a stash of snacks in my room, so you know. Tamarind candies, sweet potato. I love snacking on this one, especially when we have the shrimp base, but I don't think we have some now. I'm gonna probably have to buy some. I'm gonna keep all these things. Gonna go shower and then, yeah, catch up on you later.
This way, I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud, fuck you. I'ma turn a new leaf, it's true. No more time to be confused. Take a trip out to Rome and up. Starving. Starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain.
Back in my room, and how annoying is that pimple? Done with the adulting stuff. Right now I'm just gonna do an unboxing of the stuff that I got. So I got something from AirMed. Not sponsored. I was supposed to get scrub sets from them, like 2 scrub sets, but they didn't actually fit me, so I had to return the items and they gave me credit for that so that I could shop again. Sizes that fit me, which was the smallest, the XXS. Isn't available for all of the colors, so I decided to just get the jacket. So this is how it looks. Scrub jacket. It's a very good and thick material. So got a book. This one really piqued my interest. So it's the Atomic Habits. I feel like you've heard of this one. It gives you some tips when you want to add or incorporate a new habit into your lifestyle. Feel like it's gonna be a good read. Your girl loves shopping for books, but we actually have a stack of books there. Books in there, those I haven't read yet. So the one at the bottom, that's from a friend, Dark Matters. It's supposed to be an interesting story. I'll tell you more about it when I actually read it. So these ones, this one was on sale and looked interesting, so I got that. This one's The Midnight Library, which was recommended on TikTok. TikTok just lets me buy so much stuff. And this book on top, also a TikTok recommendation. So I'm gonna add this to the stack that I have. Hopefully, I read them soon. When I buy books, I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna read them, but most of the time, nah. When I start reading books, like when I'm in the zone or when I'm in the mood to actually read, I do actually read. This one is a sponsored gift from Collagen Co. I played collab with them for the TikTok video, so I'm gonna be posting this one on TikTok. So let's open this one together. Ooh. Beauty from the inside out. Oh, this is really huge. This one's the unflavored one from them. That's it. Wow. Oh yeah. Excited to try them out. So I'm just gonna do a TikTok video on these things. Then I'm gonna catch you later. Just finished shooting my TikTok for my collagen drink. So that's done, all done. All sorted out. Just have to do another video 2 weeks after to see the after effect for the product. That's pretty much it for the collab. Right now I'm gonna go get ready. Just gonna get dressed, do my usual grocery shopping. A while ago just did the Asian shop haul. Now I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I do this at least weekly, sometimes maybe twice a week when I'm really hungry. Right now I feel like I'm okay. I just need to buy my fruits. I like to have fruits all the time in the fridge just so I could have a quick snack when I'm starting to get hungry. I do not want to snack on my unhealthy chips and everything, but I do have chips in here, you know, some little cheats when I need to. Okay guys, we're all set, ready to go. Mask from Cotton On. This one I forgot where it's from. Just simple outfit. It's really hot outside, so you can see. Just gonna go quickly grab groceries. Wanted to go to the mall, but they're almost closing up. It's 4 p.m. 4:30 p.m. They close 5.
I got my head out the sunroof.
Hello, home. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay. Got a few stuff. I got some stuff for my cookie baking. So I just turn on the light. Just got these 2 groceries, empty mostly. People are panic buying, so just got a few stuff. Have this one, frozen meals that I could just cook right away. Don't have to cook a lot. Usually meal prep before, but now in my new job we have free food, so I don't really have to do that anymore, which is a good thing. Saves me some time. I just have this one, satay chicken and pesto pasta. Just want to try them, see if I like them. Just gonna put it in the freezer. This one's pretty easy. Just microwave it about 5 minutes. It differs for every meal. So this one is on sale. Banana. Got my fruits. Orange. My favorite. I have lots of favorites. I love cherries. I love yellow nectarine. I love grapes. And I love avocado. So I got 3 avocados. And that's pretty much it. Got sugar for my baking. I'm a newbie. I've never baked cookies before. I know it's really simple, but please do not judge. And this is my first time baking, so I'm gonna bake. I'm just gonna go to the toilet because I really have to go to the toilet. And I go to the toilet. I'll be back. Baker Jessa is in the house. We're gonna make cookies. I was gonna make matcha cookies, but I realized I do not have matcha powder anymore. It's empty. So we'll see what we can do. Probably just the regular vanilla cookie. 1 cup of unsalted butter.
Reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms. middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong.
I realized I kind of like coffee flavored cookies. I'm gonna put a little bit, tiny bit of coffee. That's not tiny. 1 teaspoon. Yep.
I can feel
Did.
now.
That's one. That's not the most flattering angle, but okay.
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the.
Now I'm gonna transfer it to my cookie dough into cling wrap. Chill it for a bit in the fridge.
Ooh, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back.
I'm gonna start cleaning up my mess. Let me show you. There you go. And there you go.
These blocks down, couple miles we could build them up until the sky was as old.
I feel like my cookie dough is too runny. Like, it's not hard enough. Look at that. I don't even think it'll hold its shape when I bake it, but we'll see. I've placed it in the freezer so it hardens a bit more. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna transfer it in the fridge, keep it there maybe overnight, and then maybe I'll bake it tomorrow. Or maybe later, we'll see. Just finished dinner and I've decided I'm gonna try baking the cookies. And I'm ready to fail. They go. Bye, cookies. I feel like it's kind of working. That's how they look now. Fluffy little cookies. Starting to smell good. Also, I just finished dinner, but look. Snacking again. That's the situation. They're sticking together. Doesn't look very bad.
Don't paint me thankless, just have to say this. Know you down with the way you
There
move,
you go.
lost in your fragrance, still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me or tell me the way that you're feeling. Oh, I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing. Oh,